Здравствуйте, меня зовут Баба Яга. Я из России. Я живу в лесу, в Сибири. Мне 100 лет. У меня костяная нога. Я живу в доме с куриными ножками. Мой друг черный кот. До свидания.
Today I'm with my colleague Veronica, and we are going to create a Russian Halloween story in Canva using images and video and sound and music, all sorts of fun things. So we're doing a video on Baba Yaga, who is in Russian folk tales a witch. And so we're going to open up a presentation, a blank presentation, and then we looked up Baba Yaga in the elements to look for any images, and as it would be, there are images of Baba Yaga. Why don't we take that?
So I'm gonna click on that.
There we go. So we are going to remove the background of this Baba Yaga picture. And since we're going to replace these faces with our own, let's erase the faces. So let's go to the erase brush on the top left. Bring up your mouse under the erase brush, great, and click that. And you can adjust your brush size on the left side if you want to make it bigger or smaller, depending on how detailed you want to get. And let's just erase those faces so we don't have anything. So that's one. And then let's erase the other face. Okay, we'll adjust the brush size a little smaller and we'll get that face out of there. And now we're going to press done. Okay, so we have our faces. Now we would like a background. So let's go to the second slide. I'd like to have a working slide and then our finished slide. So let's go find that Baba Yaga background that you wanted. And we'll put that in there. Actually, it's a video, which is very cool. So let's make that nice and big to fill the whole screen. So we have this wonderful, wonderful background. Okay, so now let's take that picture that we had of Baba Yaga, the first slide. So let's go to the first slide and let's go over to the picture and let's right click, copy. And then we'll go back to the background and right click, paste it. There we go. And then you can adjust the size however you like it. All right, so now you wanted to put my face in there as a little girl. So let's go to the side for uploads, and I already uploaded a picture of myself. So let's add another slide, only so we can play like a sandbox.
It's a working slide.
A working slide, yeah. So we'll take that, and then we're going to go to Edit Image. And then we do the background remover again. And let's click the erase on the top left, and let's get rid of any extraneous, any things that you don't want. So why don't we make the brush size a little bigger, and then you can get in there and you can erase what you don't want.
Can I restore this one?
Great, click restore, and then click where you want to put it back. And it will restore those pieces. All right, and then when we're done, we click done at the top with the check mark. Great. So let's put this on the final slide. Let's right click this, copy, and let's go to slide 2 and right click, paste. Okay, and then move my face over to the little girl's body on the right hand side, and then you can change the size of it as well. Notice how taking away that head in the background helps us because we don't have to line it up perfectly. So we have the idea of putting sticky notes into the presentation so the kids are actually videoing themselves looking at the camera, which is really them looking at the sticky notes instead of looking down on paper. So what we decided to do is go to Elements and then choose just a square or a rectangle, what have you. Put that off to the side so we can see it. None of this will be seen later on. We're going to remove this. Then we're going to go to Text, and we're going to add a subheading right over here and put it onto the text so we can see it. And I'm going to copy and paste that speech in Russian. I'll make this a little bigger and move it up here so the kids can actually record themselves. You can actually do this in a separate slide. We didn't have to do it on there. We could have done it on a separate slide and recorded it. Okay, so then I'm going to press record. Let's go here again to uploads and record yourself. And this way, my friend Veronica will be looking right at the camera instead of down at her paper. All right, so press record when you're ready, and then you can read this on screen.
Здравствуйте, меня зовут Баба Яга. Я из России. Я живу в лесу, в Сибири. Мне 100 лет. У меня костяная нога. Я живу в доме с куриными ножками. Мой друг черный кот.
Now we're going to click done and then save and exit. You can actually remove these and no one will ever know that you have that cheat sheet. Now I'm going to show you how we're going to take this video of my friend Veronica. We're actually going to superimpose it on the head of Baba Yaga with her video, just like mine is, but it's going to be a video. So again, like I said, I like using another slide as my sandbox, as my workspace. So I'll take this picture, this video of my friend Veronica, and I'll put it in our workspace. Now I'll move this over and I'll make the video bigger so I can see what I'm doing. So far it looks pretty good. We don't have much of my friend Veronica on the bottom, but I want to move it down a little bit more. So I'm going to use the crop and I'm going to actually make her face a little bigger and move it down. Don't worry about the background. Just want to get her as low here as I can. And then press done. So I just have my friend Veronica's head. Now I'll go to edit video and I'll use the background remover and it will take the background away. As you can see on the left hand side, it shows you what percentage of it is done. So after some removing background, after some editing, this is about the best I can do, which is pretty darn good. I'm going to make this a little smaller. I'm going to go here, copy. And I'm going to go here and I'm going to paste this right onto Baba Yaga's head. Or what used to be her head. And there's my friend Veronica. This we no longer need. I will delete this. Deleting the video will delete the video, but this is called a frame where the video was inside. So I'll delete that too. And you wanted music. You wanted some background. So we're going to go to the left side and click audio. And now we have to find, Halloween. Let's click the Halloween music up there. And let's see what we can get. So let's click that. And let's take it and drag it over. Right? And just drop. Now we can change the volume of this because it's quite loud. Let's go to the upper right and click the little volume button and make that volume quieter. We could only have one piece of music for the project, but this music is 2 minutes long, so it should be just fine. So now if you were going to share this, you could press share, click that, and you can go to view only link, and that link you can give to people, or we could even download this as a movie. Go down to download, and we can check PDF standard, click that, and we can actually go down to MP4 and make a video out of it and download that video. And that will be an actual MP4 video that we could share in Google Classroom or Canvas or whatever you like.
Здравствуйте, меня зовут Баба Яга. Я из России. Я живу в лесу, в Сибири. Мне 100 лет. У меня костяная нога. Я живу в доме с куриными ножками. Мой друг черный кот. До свидания.